At Scodeno achieves a lead in intelligent manufacturing with MES systems in fierce competitive manufacturing industry. Digital transformation is crucial. We have enhanced our production efficiencies, product qualities, and cost control, thereby significantly strengthening our market's competitiveness by upgrading our MES. First, improve production efficiencies. Intelligent scheduling. Optimize production plans to shorten production cycles by 20%, effectively handling order speeds, real-time adjustments, flexibly adjust production scheduling to improve line flexibility and response speed. Second, enhance product qualities. Real-time monitoring strictly monitors assemblies, process parameters, and inspection data to ensure quality standards. Pass rate. Increase the finished product's pass rate to over 99%, enhances market competitiveness. Third, strengthens issues tracing capability. Comprehensive recordings. Detailed recordings of production status for each batch to quickly locate the source of quality issues. Reduce resolution time. The precise tracing mechanism significantly shortens the time to resolve issues, reducing the cost losses. Fourth, increase equipment utilization. Data monitoring. Real-time monitoring of equipment data to optimize usage and maintenance processes. Utilization improvement. Equipment utilization increased by 55%, reducing downtimes and ensuring continuous production.